Dear children, welcome to another video session. Hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we will do the summary of chapter 6, inserting or creating list and inserting images to a web page. So in the last chapter, we have discussed how to create a web page or what are the different tags or the basic tags used in an HTML page or document. Also, we have discussed about the different tags being used to represent different elements in a web page. So, in this chapter, using that knowledge of tags, when we proceed, we will see how to display a list and list items in a web page, how to create a hyperlink. Hyperlink means anything which can be we can click to navigate another page or another document. So, how to create a hyperlink in a web page. Also, we have seen how to insert an image of particular size in a web page. So, let us see the mind map of the chapter, children. Let us see the mind map of chapter 6, creating list and inserting images in a web page. So, in the first section of the chapter, we have seen about list. So, what are lists, children? Lists are the collection of related items, or using this list, we can display, or web developers, they can display a group of or a set of related items. So, we have seen 3 types of list: ordered list, unordered list and definition list. So, what is an ordered list? In an ordered list, the list items need to be specified or listed in a specific order. The order of the list items, it matters. We can order, or the ordered list, we can add such list items using the tag OL. You have already seen during interactive sessions. And each list item, it can be represented using the list tag or the LI tag. So, this OL tag or the ordered list has got mainly 2 attributes that we have seen. They are the type attribute and the start attribute. So, what we will mention in the type attribute? In the type attribute, we will mention in which type or the type in which the list need to be arranged. It can be either numbers or alphabets or Roman numerals. By default, we have seen if we didn't mention any type, by default it will take numbers. And in the start attribute, we can mention from which number. It is applicable only when the type is a number or a numeral. So, if type is a numeral, we can mention in the start attribute what should be the starting number of the particular list. We can, suppose if we can start a numeral or the list from 10 or 100 or even 1000. So, you just need to mention the starting number in the start attribute. Next is the unordered list. So, in unordered list, the order of list item does not matter. We can represent these list items with bullets. It can be either square, disc or circle. So, by default it will be disc. If you didn't mention any type, by default this unordered list items will be represented in disc bullets. Then we have seen the definition list. In definition list, each list item, it will be associated with a unique tag. So, the tag will be, or the unique tag will be the differentiating item for each list item. We will denote or we will represent this definition list using DL tag, and we have seen the DT and that is definition term, that is a unique tag element, and the definition data list item. So, these are the 3 basic lists that we have learned in this chapter: ordered list, unordered list and definition list. In the next section of the chapter, we have discussed about adding a hyperlink. So, what is a hyperlink, children? A hyperlink is an image or a text that we can click, so that when we click it, it will navigate to another page or another document. We have also seen different colors for a hyperlink. For example, an unclicked or unvisited hyperlink, it will be always in blue color, whereas a visited hyperlink, it will be in purple color, and an active hyperlink, it will be denoted by the red color. So, what is a tag used to represent a hyperlink? We have seen the hey href, where you mention after href, you will mention the specified or the needed desired URL in that href. So that is a href, it is a name value pair tag. So in the href thing you will be mentioning the URL to which page or to which document you want to navigate. Next we have seen inserting image to a web page. So the tag used for that is img tag. In that src attribute or the source attribute will enable you to put or specify the location of this particular image. We have also seen the attributes like size, where you can set this height and width of the image. Also you have seen the border attribute where you can set the border for the image that you want to upload. Okay. So these are the mind map all about children. We have seen about displaying list. There are 3 types of list: ordered list, unordered list and definition list. Also we have seen how to add a hyperlink to a web page and inserting an image to a web page. Yes children, that's the mind map all about. Dear children, hope this video helped you to get the summary of chapter 6, creating list and inserting image to an HTML page. We'll see you all during interactive sessions. Thank you for watching.